Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to create a list of recipes to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Yes, St. Paddy's Day recipes. Some are authentically Irish and others are just very green. Let's jump in. First, let's make a search of the word Irish and let's see what we get. Irish seafood chowder, Irish potato candy, Irish potato soup, such an easy and delicious recipe.
Yummy.
Irish stew, I'm getting hungry here. Irish cream and pistachio fudge, Irish apple cake with creme anglaise. I sound so fancy or very silly, you decide. Irish lamb stew, which restaurant is this? Irish coffee cake with whiskey caramel sauce. My neighbors will love me. Irish hot chocolate. What does it have inside? Irish cream liqueur, of course. And if you don't like chocolate, yes, you can make coffee, Irish coffee. And we find shortbread, more coffee, more stews. Okay, now let's look for St. Patrick's. We find St. Patrick's Day smoothie, green smoothie pancakes. Oh, you need to try those. Scones, of course. Many of the recipes we found before, and we also find Brussels sprouts with cranberries and pecans, beer buttercut bites, and potato farls. Now you can make those same searches for collections. See? St. Patrick's. Then click collections, and we get two. Or write Irish, click collections, and let's look at this one. We find cold cannon, Guinness cake, Guinness bread, beefing stout, etc. Awesome! Are you getting good ideas? I hope so. Now let's look for green recipes. This time we're not looking for Irish recipes, just ideas to complete our green party. Let's write green and see what happens. Potatoes and green beans with parsley pesto. Coconut chai green smoothie. I love that one. Green power smoothie bowl. Garden green crepes. Tons of veggies, of course, steamed greens with lemon feta, green bean gremolata, steamed Chinese greens, green goddess quinoa salad, green vegetable frittata, and, of course, anything with pesto. Here we have the fusilli with pesto, but if we search for the word pesto, we get a very green page with options for your green-themed party. Awesome! Alright, now you either learned more about Cookidoo and how to use it, or you are ready for your Irish party. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you need a Thermomix in your life, please use my link. It's in the comments and it includes free shipping. Thank you so much.